Good morning, children. Today we are starting our third work, that is a stippling. When we complete our work, how it will look, I will show first. See here, this is our work. We will complete full. It will looks like this. For this, what are the materials we need? I will tell you. Okay, once when I will tell the material, you have to take the material and keep ready for the work. Okay, children. We need a drawing book, scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, sketch pen and crayons. After taking this, you have to open a drawing book and take out a new page. Okay, children. Open a new page and draw a border line first. After that, draw 3 centimeter box. All of you know how to do. Now start to do the work. After the border and box, you have to write today's date here and write down the topic, stippling. Now I will teach the drawing. You have to see that, and from which box I will start the work, you have to start from there and you have to do the work properly, children. Okay. Observe the drawing, children. Draw a stones. Draw a big stones here. After one set of stones over, draw a water. Just observe the drawing, children. Once when I will do the black outline, then you will get the lines from where to where you have to do. Just observe. Okay, this is our drawing. Now I will do the black outline. Once when I will complete the black outline, you will get the time to do the drawing. That time you have to start to do the drawing, children. Now after the black outline, we should rub all the pencil lines, whatever is there in the page. When we rub the pencil lines, our work will looks like this, children. First, you have to take a light blue color crayon, and here the background is there, no? That one you have to do with the blue color lightly and in a sleeping way. After the blue color over, children, now you have to take a yellow and orange color. Do orange color here and yellow color in the circle. You have to do the stippling work. All of you know how to do the stippling work. Okay, like this you have to do. Already you learn how to do. So I'm showing only the small part. You have to see that and complete the orange color for the rays and yellow color for the sun. Okay, children, now continue the work. Complete it. Once when we complete the orange color, we take a yellow, and this portion we are doing with yellow color. After the yellow and orange color over, we will take a red and brown color, and we are doing color stippling work for the stones. Here I will show you where you have to do the red color. Only the stones you do with the red color, children. Remaining you have to do with the brown color. Only these means stones you have to do with the red. Remaining you have to do with the brown color stippling work. Once when the red color over, we'll take a brown color, and remaining stones we are doing with the brown. when we complete the stones, see children how our work will looks. Now we should take a light blue and a dark blue color for the water. Here I will show where we should do the dark blue color. Here, 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 and this portion here. So children, what you have to do, you have to wait for 5 minutes. When I will complete dark blue where we should do, after seeing that you have to do the dark blue color in that particular place, children. Okay. See children, after doing this dark blue here, remaining part of the water we will do with the light blue color. After this over, take out the light green and a yellow color crayon, and here in this portion you have to do the crayon work, children. After the light green over, take out the yellow color. On that, you should do the yellow color here. Then take a light green and a dark green sketch pen and do the shading work. One here light green, dark green, and this portion with a light green. After this color here over, you have to take a yellow color and do a zigzag line here, and this portion you should do with the yellow color. With a small shading work. After this, once again take a light green color, draw a zigzag line, once light green over, take out the dark green color. Remaining part you have to complete with the dark green. When we complete full, here the waterfall will be there, no? That one we have to highlight. For highlight, we have to do the 2 overlap line. All of you know how to do the 2 overlap line. See children, like this, you have to do the 2 overlap line for the only for waterfalls. The outer line. We are not doing inside line, only this outline. Okay children, do now. After the 2 overlap line, children, see how our work will looks. This is nice, no? I want the same work in your book also. Okay, children, are you enjoyed this one? Okay, thank you.